Hi, in front of me is ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to your calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar and tap on the month above. Select the date by tapping on it and click at the bottom right corner on this plus icon. Now tap on event and customize it however you want to. You can add a title, set up notifications, choose starting hour, ending one, add people, choose location. Over here you need to click while using the app or only this time. Enter your location and tap on the one that it's fitting. In my case this one. You can even change color and add description. When you're done, click save at the top right corner and as you can see my event was successfully added. You can always delete it by clicking on it and tapping at the top right corner on the three lines. Then choose delete and confirm your choice by tapping delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!